The ultimate guide to losing weight fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the ultimate guide to losing weight fast. Losing weight can be tough, but with the right tips and tricks, it doesn't have to be. So let's get started. Tip 1. Drink more water. Drinking water is essential to losing weight. Not only does it keep you hydrated, but it also helps to flush out toxins from your body. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and if you struggle with plain water, you can always add a slice of lemon or cucumber for some flavor. Tip 2. Portion control. Portion control is key when it comes to losing weight. You don't need to cut out your favorite foods completely, but you do need to be mindful of how much you're eating. Try using smaller plates and bowls to make it look like you have more food, and eat slowly to give your body time to realize it's full. Tip 3. Exercise regularly. Exercise is important for weight loss, but it doesn't have to be intense. Try going for a walk or jog for 30 minutes a day, or find a workout routine that you enjoy. The important thing is to move your body regularly to burn calories and build muscle. Tip 4. Get enough sleep. Sleep is often overlooked when it comes to weight loss, but it's essential. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the hormone ghrelin, which stimulates your appetite. Try to get at least 7-8 hours of sleep each night to help regulate your hormones and keep your cravings in check. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to losing weight fast. Remember, losing weight is a journey, and it's important to be patient with yourself. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.